friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make mango pannacotta. This is the China grass packet. You'll get this in departmental stores and market, more and big bazaar. Let's open the packet. Now I am going to make some pieces of this China grass. You can even blend it in the mixie grinder also for making it more nicely and smoothly. After making the pieces, we need to just put them in a small cup. I'm going to take a measurement of the small cup. So I'm going to put it like this. Now I'm on the stove flame and I'm going to put some water of 5 cups, 5 small cups. And we need to put some China grass. We need to take the water in the same cup for 5 cups, okay? And after some time, we need to just mix it. Now we are going to mix it well to dissolve the China grass in the water. After the China grass is completely dissolved in the water and you get a texture like this, we need to put a bowl of sugar in it. A bowl of sugar in it. You need to put 4 bowls of water for 1 bowl of China grass and 1 bowl of sugar after the China grass is dissolved in the water. And now after the sugar is dissolved in the water completely, we need to mix it well, and when it dissolves we need to off our flame. After offing the flame, we need to put some chopped mango in a mixie jar and put a spoon of sugar. As you had put the sugar in the China grass also, you can put a little amount of sugar in the chopped mango. Now I am going to blend them in a mixie and give them a texture of smoothie. Let's blend them. The mango after blending must have this much thick texture, not very liquid and not very solid also. We need to pour the China grass into another vessel like this, and we need to wait for the China grass to cool down. Now after the China grass is cooled down, we need to take some China grass and pour it to the mango. I had put 2 spoons of mango, so I'm going to put 2 spoons of China grass. Let's mix it. Now the China grass that is left out, we need to pour some milk in it. Only a little amount of milk, and then mix it very correctly. Because to get the white color to the China grass, we are going to mix some milk with it. I'm going to take 2 glasses and I'm going to put the mango pulp, mix it with the China grass pour into the glasses. Now before putting the China grass, we need to tap this like this, because if there is some bubbles, it will set correctly. Now we need to take the China grass and just put the second layer into the glass. You can even decorate this at the top with some mango pieces and other decorative items. Now we need to keep this 2 glasses into the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours, and the mango pannacotta is ready to serve.